A rectangular plot measures 160 meters by 120 meters. It is to be fenced using posts placed at equal interval of 5 meters. How many posts are required to fence all round? Here you start by finding the perimeter of the rectangular plot. So you draw the sketch as usual. So rectangular plot measuring 160 meters by 120. So the perimeter, you get perimeter by saying 2 length plus width, like that. So perimeter here is equals to 2 inside the bracket 160 plus 120. Okay, this one will give you 560 meters. After you get perimeter, to get the number of posts used, you are going to say distance over interval. Okay, in this case distance is the same as perimeter. So you are going to say 560 meters divide by the interval. The interval is the space between the posts, which is 5 meters. So you divide by 5 meters. Okay, so meter will cancel the other meter, and this one will give you 112 posts. So we have started by finding perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the plot. Okay, after you divide, you get the perimeter. You get the number of posts by dividing that perimeter by the interval. Okay, so you also understand that if you are told that the plot had a gate, after getting the perimeter, you would subtract the gate and then use the formula. Distance over interval plus 1. Okay, so but if there is no gate, you just use the formula distance over interval. Are we together? So make sure that if there is a gate, after getting the perimeter, make sure you subtract the measurement of the gate. Then use the formula distance over interval plus 1. But in our case, there is no gate. Therefore, we are just using distance over interval. Okay, I have told you distance in this case is the perimeter that we calculated earlier. Let us move on to our next question. Which says, our next question says, a carton has a length of 48 centimeters and 36 centimeters width. If it is 30 centimeters high, how many cylindrical tins of radius 6 centimeters and height 10 centimeters can be packed in the carton? Okay, so this is a carton. You can draw the sketch. of the carton. So this is the carton. The carton measures 48 centimeters by 36 centimeters, and it is 30 centimeters high. Then you are told that cylindrical tins are to be arranged. And they have a radius of 6 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. Okay, so when we want to get the number of cylindrical tins arranged in this carton, we simply use the formula. Length times width times height over diameter times height. Okay, length times width times height, that will be the formula. Is like the formula of getting the volume of the carton. This is the carton. Okay, diameter times height, that is about the cylindrical tins. Okay, so we come and say the length of the carton is 48. The width is 36 and the height is 30. Okay, we divide by the diameter. Here you are not given diameter, you are given a radius. Radius is 6, meaning the diameter is 12. So we have said diameter times diameter, so this is 12 times 12 times height, which is 10, like that. So we are going to get the number of tins now. So this 0 cancels this one. 12, 1 by 12, 3. 12, 1 by 12, 4. Okay, so we have 4 times 3, 12. And the 12 times 3, you get 36. So the number of tins which can be arranged in that box was 36 tins. And that is the answer. So when you are asked the number of tins that can be arranged in the carton, you just divide the volume of the carton by diameter times the height. That is the formula that you use. So you get the answer direct. So let us meet tomorrow when we shall be looking on a different area in our preparation for the coming KCPE exam. Have a good day.